Hook midnight to 0:15. Claude AI can process 10,000 requests per second, making it one of the fastest AI tools available. This is insane. It's changing the game. You need to know about it. Set up 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Why does this matter? Well, with AI taking over, you need the best tools. Current AI news is crazy. Claude's new AI just changed the internet forever. It's time to level up. Get ready for the top AI tools. They'll boost your business. Claude is leading the charge. Its AI is ridiculously fast. But what else is out there? Let's dive in. We've got 5 tools to cover. They'll change your workflow. Tool 1, Claude 1 to 230. Claude is an AI powerhouse. Its most impressive feature? Speed. Imagine you need to analyze 10,000 customer reviews. Instead of 10 hours, Claude does it in 1 minute. Crazy, right? It's free or $29 a month. Entrepreneurs need this. With Claude's new AI just changed the internet forever, it's a no-brainer. This AI is a total game changer. It can process thousands of requests per second. Your competition is using it. Don't fall behind. Get Claude now. Tool 2, ChatGPT 2:30 to 4 o'clock. ChatGPT is a text generator. It creates human-like text in seconds. Imagine you need to write a sales page. Instead of 5 hours, ChatGPT does it in 30 minutes. It's $20 a month. Content creators need this. This tool is a total time saver. It's like having a team of writers. No more writer's block. ChatGPT has got you covered. Tool 3, Canva 4 to 5:30. Canva is a design platform. It has a vast library of templates and assets. Imagine you need to create a social media graphic. Instead of 2 hours, Canva does it in 10 minutes. It's free to try. Marketers need this. This tool is a total creative boost. It's like having a design team. No more boring graphics. Canva has got you covered. Tool 4, Zapier 5:30 to 6:30. Zapier is an automation tool. It connects thousands of apps. Imagine you need to automate your email workflow. Instead of 5 days, Zapier does it